A state nonprofit organization wanted to encourage its members to consider the state of New York as a vacation destination. They are investigating whether their online ad campaign influenced its members to plan a vacation in New York within the next year. The organization surveyed its members and found that 75% of them have seen the online ad. 40% of its members indicated that they are planning to vacation in New York within the next year. And 15% of its members did not see the ad and do not plan to vacation in New York within the next year. So complete the following hypothetical 1,000 two-way frequency table. All right, so we're going to start with our total, which is 1,000. Now, we said that the organization surveyed its members and found that 75% of them have seen the ad. Okay, so watch the ad online. The total would be 750, which means those that did not would be 250. Go ahead and fill that in. Now, 40% of its members indicated that they are planning to vacation in New York within the next year. So that would be 400, which means those that do not plan to vacation would be 600. All right, so we need one more set of information to be able to fill out the rest of the frequency table. And it says that 15% of its members did not see and do not plan. So that means 150 did not see and do not plan. Therefore, we can fill in the rest of the information now. 450, this would be 100, which means this has to be 300. Now, you can always check your work, make sure the totals all add up, right? And you should be able to see very easily that that is correct. Now, based on the two-way table, describe two conditional probabilities you can calculate to help decide if members who saw the online ad are more likely to plan a vacation in New York within the next year than those who did not see the ad. Okay, so anybody want to take a stab at that one? What are the two conditional probabilities that you could calculate to help decide if members who saw the online ad are more likely to plan a vacation in New York within the next year? Okay, so Amy says to look at the watched online and plan to visit and do that out of the total number that watched, or the total number that planned to visit. All right, and then what's the other one? Well, that's going to be what? Exactly 0.75. All right, what's another one? 100 over 400? Yeah. Well, that doesn't have anything to do with going to New York or watching online.
Oh, well, it says New York within the next year, then the app. Okay.
Okay, but why do you say it should be out of 750? Okay, so that, remember what we said, that's always going to be your denominator. What it's talking about is those that watch the online ad. So Bobine says change that back to 750 because that's the people that we're looking at, those who watch the video And now how many of those plan to visit? Good. And I don't know what that is. Anybody? Thank you. Okay, what's the other probability now? Now we're looking at those who plan to attend but did not watch the video. Okay, so those that did not watch it would be out of 250, and those that still plan to attend is still 100. So that's going to be 0.4. So does it matter whether or not they watched the video or not? No, you still have the same probability of going to New York. And that's probably what. Is there anything on page 2? Yeah, calculate the probabilities. We've already done that. Based on the probabilities, do you determine that the ad campaign is effective? No. You wasted money. See why we would do statistics?